This video is going to provide a brief introduction to Desmos Activity Builder and some of the features that it has when creating your own lesson. So to start, you need to go to teacher.desmos.com, and if you haven't already created a Desmos account, please do so. You can create one using your own email, or you can directly link it with a Google account. Now, when creating your own, on the left side you have your own bookmark ones that you found, custom, which is where we're going to be going, and of course history for previous lessons you've done. If we click on custom, it'll list a bunch of custom activities that you have already created. To create a new activity, you go to the top right and click on new activity. Once in here, you want to give the name to an activity. For here, we'll just call it demo. And when you start building, it's actually very similar to how you would create a Microsoft PowerPoint presentation. Basically, you have different types of titles, instructions, and different things you can create. And you can create a combination of them. So for example, I could just have a title and ask the students to graph something, thus creating a graphing block for this particular slide. But instead, maybe I wanted to provide a video clip or some sort of media in addition to the graph that I wanted them to work with. So I can choose a file to upload, like a YouTube clip or something of that nature, that I can have on the left side that explains something in a video, then asking the students to create something on the right. Again, you can create a bunch of mixture of different types of things. You can add a note here. You can also have them create choices. And as you see now, I have 3 bubbles up at the same time. Here's a previous activity builder that I've already created here. And again, looking at this, I can create a note, which essentially is going to be your instructions. A place for students to give an input for what they're working with. And again, that can be in either traditional text or it can be mathematical notation. And on the left side here, I have the graph. All of this can get moved around and changed. And as we look through some of these other slides, here's one where it's just going to be a graphing page. If I wanted to go in here, though, and give them an opportunity maybe to ask a question, I could click on the choice, and right in here, I can give them a multiple choice question, a multi-select question that's basically asking them to look at the graph and be able to decipher some information from it. So the key to the teacher activity feature here is customability. There's a lot of different ways here, lots of different combinations here to create whatever it is you so desire. It's almost one of those, you can set it up on paper, envision what it looks like, and with these choices across the top here, these 6 choices, you can make your reality lesson here.